Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about anyone person calling you but your phone is busy problem on your iPhone on iOS devices after iOS 18 update. So how can I fix? So follow this step. Open setting application on your iPhone and scroll down and tap on apps, and now scroll down and tap on phone. Here is now scroll down again and tap on silent unknown colors. Here you can see, tap on it. And now guys, if is already is turned on, so simply turn off. So guys, anyone person is calling you that not save on your iPhone, so your iPhone will respond to a busy problem. So after that, tap on block contacts. Guys, if anyone person is calling you that blocked on your iPhone, here is a list. So simply remove from here. Here is now these are two methods will be solve your problem. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.